Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to perform arithmetic operations in shell script. So let's get started. So to perform arithmetic operations, you may consider using something like this. So you can echo and then you can do 1 plus 1. But by default, echo command takes anything which is written after this echo command as a string. So if you run this script, you will see it will just dump whatever which is written after this echo command as it is. So it's not performing any arithmetic operation. So how do we achieve it? So let's take an example and then we will see how do we do it. So I will create two variable, num1 is equal to 20 for example, and num2 is equal to 5 for example. Okay, and then I want to perform some basic arithmetic on these integer numbers, for example addition, subtraction, or multiplication, division, or modulus operation. So to perform this, you take this number as it is, and then for example I want to do addition. I can just do num2, something like this. Addition is done like this only, but for this you just need to enclose these two variables inside double brackets. So you just need to do double bracket this side and double bracket on the other side of this expression like this. Okay, but still you will not be able to achieve your goal. So if you do echo, still it will print as it is, but when you do this dollar symbol, or when you add this dollar symbol before your expression, this double parenthesis expression, then let's see what happens. And don't forget to give the space here. Okay, and let's run the script and let's see what happens. So you can see it has performed the arithmetic addition on these two variables, right? So to perform these basic arithmetic operations, you need these double two parentheses and then this dollar symbol before them, so they could be evaluated as an arithmetic operations, right? In a similar way, we can perform other arithmetic operations. For example, if you want to do subtraction, we can do something like this. If you want to do multiplication, we use asterisk or star, whatever you want to call it. And then for division, you just need to give this / here. And there is one more operation which is also considered to be a basic arithmetic operation, which is this modulus operation. So let's see what happens when we run the script. One by one we will evaluate all the expressions. So what's happening here is, in the first echo command we are doing the addition, which is 25, which is 20 plus 5, 25, which is true. Then the subtraction, which is also true, you can see here. Then the multiplication, 20 multiplied by 5 is 100, which is also true. And then we have done the division, which is also true. And then we have done the modulus operation. So modulus operation means that whatever you get as a remainder after dividing the number, that remainder will be treated as a result. Okay, so in our case there is no remainder when we divide 5 by 20, so we get 0 here. But if you use, for example, 21 here, then you will get 1 as a remainder, because 5 will be divided by 21. When it's divided by 21, we get the remainder of 1. Okay, so this is how you perform the basic arithmetic operations in scripting. Now there is an alternate way of performing arithmetic operations on your integers, and that is by using expr command. So to use expr command, we are going to use the same variable, but you use only one parenthesis like this here. So just use one parenthesis like this, and instead of using double brackets or parentheses, you just need keyword expr. Okay, so you just need to use expr, and then for the variables you just need to use them as a normal variable with a dollar symbol, something like this. So use this kind of a dollar symbol before every variable. So I'm going to just use this dollar symbol before every variable, and this expr command before these operations, something like this. Okay, and let's run the script once again and let's see what happens. And you can see it's giving us the result, but for the multiplication it's giving us the error, and this says it's a syntax error, because in whenever you are using expr, this asterisk is not escaped. Okay, so you need to use this asterisk with this escape character, which is backslash, and then everything will be okay. So once again, when you run the script, you will see the same result as you got with the expression with the double parenthesis. But don't forget to use this escape character before this asterisk for multiplication whenever you are using this expr command. Okay, so this is how you can do the arithmetic operation by using these two ways on integers. But what happens when you want to perform these arithmetic operations on, for example, decimal values? This we are going to see in the next video, when I'm going to show you how we can perform these arithmetic operations on some decimal values. So stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.